Shukran. Hello, good morning everyone. So right now, nandito ako ngayon sa Red Palace to witness the arrival of our lovely candidates sa ating Miss Universe Philippines. As I know, dito may held sa Sultan Kudarat ang kanilang coronation. So today is mag-arrive sila dito sa aking beloved hometown, which is the Lutayan. Yeah. Siguro dito sila dediretso sa Lake Lutayan. So at my back is Red Palace. Yun. This is very usual or very this is a trademark of our hometown, the Red Palace or the Lake Lutayan. Yun. So I'm very excited to witness the arrival of our beloved candidates. Ano yan? Kumain kasi ako kanina sa iyon. By the way, I'm Muhammad Ali, Mamit Samud, your vlogger for today's video. So, ang tagal-tagal ko na hindi nakakapag-vlog. Mag-release tayo ng quality naman na content. So, ayun. Bye! So, see you later kung anong magaganap for this morning. For today's video. So, it's already 4 in the morning. Inaantay pa namin ang arrival ng mga candidates. But right now, let me just flex ang aking suot. Actually, hindi ako nakapag-prepare for this kasi nawawala yung isa kong costume na gagamitin ko sana. But frankly, nag-provide sila ng vest sa akin, which I'm very happy. Kasi para ma-recognize naman na isa akong usherate or assistant dito sa event na to. Hi! Are you excited to see our
Yes,
beloved
of course.
candidates?
Especially Miss Atisha.
Atisha!
Yes! At saka yung si Bibi.
How about Alexi Brooks?
Okay lang.
We're so cute. Yeah, I'm with Joe Hire, my best friend, my brother. And now, let's witness the arrival of the lovely candidates of Miss Universe Philippines 2024. Charot. Wala pa. Say hi. Ga-vlog ako. Sure. Update guys, so napagod na kami, so kailangan namin mag-rest because later bibigyan namin itong garland for the special guest. Tingnan yung tsura ko. So hi guys, so ito naman ang peg namin ngayon. So magkakaroon kami ng video shoot.
Dali, sa kita dali naman na kayo.
Magkakaroon kami ng shoot dito, so kami naman ang highlight ngayon. So feeling ko parang montage ang mangyayari, no? Parang drama-drama gano'n.
Drama-drama.
Okay. Sino ang dato ng Lutayan? Yes po. Hey, are you a vlogger here? Are you a vlogger? Filmmakers. Filmmakers. Welcome to Lutayan. What's your place? Australia. Oh my god. Thank you so much. Welcome to Lutayan.
Hi, thank you for having us.
Thank you so much. Oh my god.
Dali kaniyang kipupulap pa Senadora. Mga pili mo.
So Miss Universe Philippines. So hi guys, so it's our time to shine.
Senadora pa live.
Papasokin nyo muna yung ano yan, yung
Record si tawag sa ito.
abang di maaraw mag...
Okay na kayo?
Kailangan ka direct.
Okay na, baba na tayo. Hi guys, so as of now, we take part in our we take part in Miss Universe Philippines 2024. So I am very happy for this opportunity to have an exposure, di ba?
Yes.
Yeah. Fun.
Ako na web lagi na. Dati.
Ano?
What province you are, ma'am?
What province you are?
Oh, it's country.
As in? What province?
Siya. Australia pala siya.
Oo, kasi I'm still wondering kanina kung bakit may Australia. Yan. Smile.
Smile.
So, dyan sila nag-take ng kanilang video.